Hello dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you communication cable cutting by communication cable cutter Siemens PROFIBUS FCS model 6GK1905-6AA00. This is communication cable cutter. This is communication plug, communication switch, VIPA 972 model DP01. Okay, in this video I show you cable cutting and cable joining with the VIPA communication plug or switch. Okay, the direction symbol, unlock this roller, press roller. Okay, cable in this direction, first lock one press and then move three times, press again, press okay, unlock. Then okay, fine. Here green or red, green A, red B. As per the mark A, B, green, red, I will insert the cable in this hole, press and press downward to connect the cable. Ready. We can another communication cable connect here. Okay, thank you so much for the watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.